How to apply multiband EQ in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the Effects section and select the audio file you want to edit from your device. Once the audio is loaded, scroll down through the Effects option until you find the Equalizer feature. Here you will see the 18-band multiband EQ, which allows you to adjust different frequency ranges of your audio for precise sound control. Drag the sliders for each band to increase or decrease the volume of specific frequencies according to your preference. You can play the audio in real time to hear the changes as you make adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the sound, tap the Save button to finalize the EQ settings. Now you know how to apply multiband EQ in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.